In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize Chatgpt-4o AI for everything. This versatile AI tool can serve numerous purposes, from sparking creativity to enabling efficient problem solving. So let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most out of Chatgpt-4o. First things first, you'll need to open ChatGPT. Simply navigate to your web browser and search for Chatgpt-4o. Once you're there, if you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, you'll want to create a new account. Registration is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions to set up your profile, and you'll be ready to go. Creating an account is beneficial as it saves your chat history and customizes your user experience. Once logged in, it's time to open a new chat. Starting a new chat session is essential because it enables ChatGPT to focus on your current queries without distractions from previous conversations. By opening a fresh chat window, you set the stage for a productive and uninterrupted dialogue with the AI. Remember, the clearer you articulate your requests, the better ChatGPT can assist you. Now, let's explore one of its most impressive features, the capability to upload images and files. This tool is particularly useful for those who need to integrate visual data or documents into their interactions. Whether you're discussing a project, analyzing diagrams, or simply brainstorming ideas, uploading relevant files can enhance the context and depth of the conversation. All you have to do is click on the attachment button in the chat window to share your files or images with ChatGPT. ChatGPT can also become your thinking partner. Imagine having a brainstorming session with someone who is always available and has access to a vast array of information. You can bounce ideas off ChatGPT, ask for insights, or even explore new ways of approaching a problem. This collaborative environment can stimulate creativity and help you generate unique solutions or concepts that you might not have considered alone. Finally, let's talk about connecting ChatGPT with different tools. Integrating it with other applications or platforms you use regularly can streamline your workflow. For instance, linking it with scheduling apps or project management tools can help you maintain a seamless working process, saving you time and effort. This connectivity unlocks the full potential of Chatgpt-4o as it expands its functionality across your digital ecosystem. And there you have it. By logging in, opening a new chat, leveraging its file uploading capabilities, partnering with it for brainstorming, and connecting it with other tools, you can harness the full capabilities of Chatgpt-4o AI. So whether you're tackling complex problems, planning your next big project, or simply in need of a creative outlet, Chatgpt-4o stands ready as your indispensable digital companion.